Welcome to the Phonics class. Now we are going to learn 3-letter CVC words along with UB family. Children, if you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Children, CVC simply means consonant, vowel, consonant. As I already told you, blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Alright, children, are you excited about today's class? Yes, that's great. Here we go. Letter U. U makes the sound A. Letter B. B makes the sound B. Letter U and B together makes the sound UB. Now, we are going to learn words with UB sound. K, UB, cub, K, UB, cub. Ha, UB, hub, ha, UB, hub. R, UB, rub, R, UB, rub. S, UB, sub, S, UB, sub. T, UB, tub, T, UB, tub. Children, now we are going to practice some more words. Dub, nub. Now, let's all have a quick review. You all can read with me. Cub, dub, hub, nub, rub, sub, tub. Children, don't forget to practice these words every day. I hope you all had fun reading with me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.